everyone, good afternoon. I'm filming in the guest room upstairs. It's only about 4.5 degrees centigrade, and they announced the first frost in 2 days. I still have a few blooms in the garden, some roses, some cosmos. I think the zinnias are now done. I missed it. I was going to cut them to make a bouquet, the last fresh bouquet, but the zinnias are now done, wilted. But I still have some pincushions, white flowering pincushions, some roses, some cosmos, some stalks. So I will try to cut them now, harvest them now, and I'll make a bouquet later. It's really cold. I was working yesterday, taking down the boxwood hedge with the window close to the pond, but I left the main trunks or stems, the ones that are upright, because I'd like to cut them with a saw and use them for DIY projects for Christmas. But I think I can't do that today. It's really cold outside. The maple still has a lot of foliage attached to it, and I had been collecting foliage off the lawn the last few days, and maybe another week, and all the foliage from the maple and the mulberry will be gone. So this is my garden in November. So that is where the hedge was. I will be cutting those upright branches from the boxwood hedge that I took off, and I'll be using them for DIY projects, and then I can dig out the roots. So those are all the flowers that I cut from the garden, and I would like to arrange a bouquet for our dining table. There are still a few, but they were just so short-stemmed, so I just left them. And there are still a lot of berries that I can use for my Christmas decorations. So let's go inside. It's too cold to do anything outside, and then I'll try to put them together. Just check how it will look like.